आउज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम Beria Model School Montessori Wing Class Beginner Subject GK. It's me your teacher Miss Afshan. Video number 2. Topic of the week: fruits name. I like fruits. Did you like fruits? Fruits are colorful, juicy, yummy. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. 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 I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays I eat apples. Mondays I eat apples. Tuesdays I eat pears. Tuesdays I eat pears. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Thursdays I don't care. Thursdays I don't care. La 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 la. 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 I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Fridays I eat mangoes. Fridays I eat mangoes. Saturdays some grapes. Saturdays some grapes. Sundays I eat berries. Sundays I eat berries. I think that fruits are great. I think that fruits are great. La 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 la. 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 Apples. Apples. Pears. Pears. Cherries. Cherries. I don't care. I don't care. Mangoes. Mangoes. Grapes. Grapes. Berries. Berries. Fruits are great. Fruits are great. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, student. Now read and learn fruits name. Strawberry. Strawberry. Mango. Mango. Grapes. Grapes. Melon. Melon. Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Okay, student, let's play game.
What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Hey, let's go. What is it? What is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a strawberry. Yeah. What is it? What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Hey, let's go. What is it? What is it? Please show me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a pear. Wow. An apple. What color is it? It's red. 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 It's red. Delicious. We're seeing flashcards. Fruit. Apples. Apples. Bananas. Bananas. Cherries. Cherries. Grapes. Grapes. Melon. Melon. Oranges. Oranges. Peaches. Peaches. Pears. Pears. Pineapple. Pineapple. Strawberries. Strawberries. Wow, that fruit looks so yummy. I like cherries. What's your favorite fruit?
Okay students, this is your homework task from booklet. बेटे आपने अपनी शीट्स में कलर बहुत सफाई से करना है। पहले इस तरह से आउटलाइन बनानी है, फिर उसको फिलअप करना है, ठीक है, और बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं निकाल के करना है। और कोशिश करिएगा कि कैरी ऑन से आपने कलर करना है, ठीक है। कैरी ऑन से कलर करेंगे, अप्स एंड डाउन्स करके कलर करेंगे तमाम शेप्स में। पहले आउटलाइंस बनाएंगे, फिर अप्स डाउन करके कलर करेंगे। बिल्कुल भी नीचे से वाइट नज़र नहीं आना चाहिए, तो फिर आपका कलर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा। ओके बेटे, जब आपकी शीट्स अच्छी प्यारी सी कलरफुल कंप्लीट हो जाए, फिर आप मुझे ये सेंड करेंगे, ठीक है। और बहुत प्यारे से कलर होने चाहिए। जैसे ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद देखेंगे कितनी प्यारी लग रही है। आपने वीडियो बार बार देखनी है, तमाम फ्रूट्स नेम याद करने हैं। ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफिज़।